Gage fly back to row, pan racing, not in front is second by carry over, running by the wheel, sharp eye, Gintong Biaya around the outside now is Geronimo Jigsaw Star sneaking in na. But still carry over, leading the pack, passing the winning post, carry over, leads by Falang Minsan now from the outside, second Jigsaw Star. Moving up by the wheel, Diamond Magic, then followed by Sharp Eye, Gintong Biaya. Another straight they travel. Diamond Magic grabs the lead now by some 2-hour carry over. Gintong Biyaya now for the outside. Third down in for Jigsaw Star alongside now Minsan. Running by the wheel, Sharp Eye. Moving up now Premier Edition. Around the outside now in 7 is Storm Signal. Running in 8 Geronimo. Then followed by Head Honcho. Inside the last 600, Gintong Biyaya grabs the lead by half Falang. Jigsaw Star on the outside, carry over. Storm Signal on the outside. Towards the last 350, it's Gintong Biyaya leading by some 3 lengths once again. Jigsaw Star, Storm Signal, carry over. Moving up by the wheel is Sharp Eye, but still Gintong Biyaya leads by some 3 lengths. Jigsaw Star, Sharp Eye, carry over, Storm Signal, and up towards all Gintong Biyaya. Jigsaw Star, carry over, Storm Signal, Sharp Eye, Premier Edition, Geronimo.